Alright then everybody, a quick video on how you use this iMotion software, which hopefully you've downloaded to your phones and you can play with before Wednesday, okay? Because on Wednesday you're going to have to teach people how to use this software. I'll have a bunch of iPads there, probably 4 iPads, we'll split people into 4 teams. 4 iPads set up with this software on it, and you're going to have to demonstrate how to work it. So here's how you do it, it's dead straightforward, okay? First of all, you can see the very bottom right hand icon there is the iMotion icon, the wee camera with the stopwatch in it. So I'll tap that, it opens up and it says, do you want to create a new movie? Yes, we do. So create a new movie. Now the mode we want is manual, okay, can you see here? Right, we want manual, all right. And the reason we want manual is so that we're controlling how often it takes the photo, which is absolutely fine. So click manual. Then the camera we want to use is the back camera. So back camera, that way we can see the screen and we can see what we're actually taking photos of. And in the quality, we want to put 1080p, okay? Just because it's higher quality, that's all it is. And then you click on start. Now, I'm going to do something. You can see there's a red outline there of a person, ignore that. What I want you to do is, the first thing you're going to tell people to do is click display. And there's 2 options at the top, okay? It might come up with more, yeah, there's this menu along the bottom as well, the big padlock, ignore that. But at the top of the screen, you'll see there's 2 buttons there. There's one with a white and a black square, and there's one with a grid. You're gonna tap the one with the white and the black square. And what it does, you can see it's highlighted there, is it creates a ghost image of the last picture you took. So I'll explain how that makes sense in a wee second, okay? So here's my keyboard, it's going to be a rubbish film, but it's just to demonstrate it. If I click capture, it's taken a photo of it. If I now move the keyboard, you can still see a ghost image of the image I took a second ago. Capture. Now that ghost image is because we selected that black and white square at the top. So it leaves this ghost image so you can kind of line up your picture much better. Now I'm hand holding the iPad here. What I'll try and do for Wednesday is I will try to build wee stands or get wee stands so that they're not having to hold the iPad. But that can be quite tricky to get right because I don't know exactly what these cycloramas are going to be, you know, the backdrops you're talking about. Anyway, all I'm doing is I'm moving my keyboard along. It's a really boring film. And once I've moved it, I keep hitting the word capture. And every time I capture it, you can probably hear it taking a photo. Takes a photo, and all the film is one photo after the other, played at a certain speed. So I'm deliberately taking quite a few pictures here. You can see it up at the top right hand corner. I'm now on to image number 17. So 17 pictures, okay? I'm going to take 20. Right, 18, there's 19 taken, whoops, and there's 20, okay? So that's it done. Click stop. Before I click stop, remember, top of the screen, you see that the white square with the black square? That's the thing that lets you see the ghost image. You can see me moving my camera, and you can see the ghost image is still on the screen, so that you can make sure you've lined it up with the background properly, okay? Anyway, hit stop again to confirm you wanted to stop, and there's our video. That's it done. Now we took 20 pictures, right? If I slow the video down by moving the slider at the bottom of the screen, slow it down to 5 seconds, it'll take 4 seconds for that video to play all the way through because there's 20 pictures, it's playing 5 frames or 5 pictures per second, so it's a 4-second movie. If I zip it up to 20 frames a second, it will take exactly 1 second to play the whole film. There you go, so you can see it speeds it up, alright? So it's a dead easy piece of software to work, it's very easy, and then once you've finished it, you can export it. So if I export it, I'll send it to my photo library. Right, exports it, and it'll just go into your photos. If we then close that, and then we can get rid of the software, all you do then is you would go to your photo library, and it's there as a video. Boom, you're done. So that's how you work it. It's very easy. A couple of settings just to set up before you go, and that's it. It's dead easy to work. I hope this makes sense, but if not, send me a message, and if you want me to go over it again, I'm quite happy to do that. See you all later.